to share with you guys what I got at Foodland and yeah, what I got from the grocery store. So that's the grocery store I went to. I love it there, and I haven't done a grocery haul in a really long time, and I don't know why, because I enjoy watching them. I find it fascinating what other people buy. So yeah, if you have a Foodland near you and you've always wanted to check it out, or you're just curious what I bought, then definitely keep watching. I post videos every single week, so definitely like and subscribe. Also hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And with that being said, let's move on to my grocery haul. Alrighty, so I bought 2 cereals, which is kind of typical. I would say maybe I buy cereal every other week, but I always try to buy like a healthier one and then a not so healthier one. I mean, we can like pick hairs if we want about if this really is a healthy cereal, but you know what I'm saying. So usually we'll get like Cheerios or Chex or something. Typically I'd say it's like Cheerios, and then something a little more fun. So we got Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and if we're just like, usually she'll get like something like this in a bowl or as a bedtime snack. It's not really something I enjoy in the morning. I do try to like make sure if she's gonna have like cereal, it's with fruit or something like that. But I got the multigrain ones and then Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And if you're not from Canada and you're just curious, everything on my groceries are always in French. So I don't know if you can see, but like you can see on the back, everything is always put in French as well. And this one, it looks like I can get a free Team Canada shirt. That's kind of cool. Maybe I'll get one. And this one, can I get a free one too? Oh, I can. Oh, I can get it both. So I think I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you as well. Above our stove is where I keep our breakfast items. So I will just like put the fresh cereal at the bottom, and then I'll just fresh cereal at the top. But yeah, this is what I use, and I really like it. Alrighty, so if you didn't know, we eat plant-based / vegetarian in our household. We don't buy meat anymore. We do buy some for Elizabeth. My husband is always worried she's not getting enough protein because I wouldn't say she's a picky eater, but she's a toddler and she loves fish. So you will see fish in this grocery haul. And then we buy a small amount of chicken because she does enjoy chicken. She does eat meat at like my in-laws and my parents and at daycare, so like she has been exposed to it. But just personally, we don't buy it. And yeah, so I still buy her like her whole milk. I do try to buy organic, but Foodland never seems to have organic whole milk when I go. But we buy her the 3.25%. And then for myself, I usually will get the original or vanilla almond milk. But when you're in quarantine right now and you're at the grocery store, you're just like, get in, get out. So I just don't buy the unsweetened. So I have that. And then we also get yogurt, so we have coconut yogurt and then regular yogurt for Richard. He will eat coconut yogurt, don't get me wrong, but he loves his regular yogurt, so that. And then we've got some sour cream, some cheese. We also needed more almonds. Elizabeth loves nuts, and Richard also loves having nuts in his lunch, so we bought more almonds. And then I also bought tofu. I would say we have tofu probably once a week, maybe once every other week. But I was trying to do like the Tone It Up Slim Down, and the only like recipe I had for like basically the only option it was showing me to get was like a scrambled egg scramble thing. If I'm even saying that right, I'm probably not. I sound so uneducated when I just said that, but anyway. So I got tofu. I'm going to try them again, and I also bought more wraps, which you will see. It doesn't say to eat it with wrap. I just prefer with wrap. I'm not actually doing it like to a T, but I just find too like when people tell me what to eat, I make better choices, if that makes sense. So we have that. You know, I guess when you meal plan, right? You lay things out. So yeah, let's move on to the next bit. Let's do 3. We want more wraps. We just love having wraps, me and Elizabeth, so I've started making sure that I buy wraps on a weekly basis, and whenever I don't use it, I have in the freezer. I'm also a big sucker for nachos, so I haven't bought them in a while. So I bought another bag. I like having them kind of on the weekend. Cheese, sour cream, salsa, so good. And then I also got Elizabeth waffles. We have a bigger freezer now, slash fridge, so I'm able to buy 2 boxes now. I could have, I guess, kept waffles in the chest freezer, and I never thought about that. But she eats waffles on a weekly basis. I try to mix up for breakfast. Sometimes we do cereal, oatmeal, waffles, bagels, whatever. So I got 2 of those, and then I'm trying a new recipe to call sweet biscuits. Oh, this is my croissant one, or whatever. They were 2 for something, so I got biscuit one and croissant one. And I'm not talking too loud because Alyssa's napping. Actually, I'll be up soon, so I'm gonna try and hurry and get this done. And then the other one I also got was bagels, and that's it. I guess cereals are kind of a grain, but you know, I don't know. So yeah, we got that, and then I'm gonna show you what we kind of keep for like my emergency food stash. She can hear Richard cutting the grass. I thought Richard was only gonna cut the backyard. Okay, we're gonna have to finish this grocery haul in a hot minute because Elizabeth is up. So emergency things, I like to keep in the house are tuna. Elizabeth also likes tuna, so I try to do that as well. I also keep these. I know people have like their opinions on them, but people have opinions on everything. These I like to keep for emergencies. I do make my own. These little fruit pouches. However, I have to like get it. If I make them and I freeze them, I have to get them out of the freezer, let them defrost. If I make them fresh that day, you have to use them up that day, right? So I like that these are just like an option. This is kind of like a, oh shoot, like I didn't realize what time it is and you need to go to bed, but you never had a bedtime snack. That's what I use. Or like the other day, she had to go to work. So this was a nice little treat on the way home in the car. So there's that. And then I usually get soup, but I passed it and you can only go one way, and I wasn't gonna go back to get soup. Like you'd have to go all the way back because everything's like a one-way system right now. So I just picked up some zoodles. She's never had them before, but I feel like she'll really like them. So I always try to keep like some sort of like canned good soup in the house in case we need to make a lunch. And we want to use our leftovers for dinner that night. And these were on sale, but I always try to keep some sort of frozen food item in the house. Like this is just easy to pair with some rice and veggies. And then they also had a pizza on sale. So I got pizza. So we're gonna have this for dinner tonight because we needed something for dinner, because originally I was gonna make something else, but it takes a long time to kind of make, and we just don't have time today. We are hustling and getting lots of stuff done. I'm also filming another video, which is basically like just a day in the life, getting stuff done. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it, but yeah, so let's get going. Okay, we're gonna call this section speed round. So we have cream and mushroom soup for a recipe, chickpeas because I want to make chickpea wraps. We also have 2 things of vegetable broth. I like to have these in stock. Ha, that's funny. See what I just did there? And I'm gonna grab the rest of the stuff. So we have hand soap, orange juice, Richard likes having orange juice in his lunch, brown paper bags because that's what we put our cat litter in, frozen corn, more frozen corn, and Elizabeth loves raisins, so I didn't know they had a big bag, so I bought a big bag to stock up, and this is like their no-name brand, Compliments. You probably saw it, yeah, see Compliments. And last but not least, we like to have grilled cheeses sometimes for lunch. So I picked up some more beets and pickles because sometimes we'll do this on the side. And Elizabeth loves pickles, so does Richard, and she also loves beets. So, yeah, that is everything from this grocery haul. I'm gonna have to go get Elizabeth and put all this away and just
multitask, right? I'm sure all you moms out there and dads know what it's like to multitask. So I'm gonna go get her, cuddle with her a bit, we'll get a snack going, put all this away, and we're just gonna keep going through the day. We're gonna get stuff done, and yeah, I can't believe it's already 2 o'clock. This day is just flying by. And yeah, I think that's what happens when you've like got all these plans. So yeah, let's go get Elizabeth, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for Richard kind of fast in the background, you can hear him. But I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul. I'm gonna go get Elizabeth out of her crib. She does really good like hanging out there and playing by herself for a little bit. When I like to sleep in, it's really nice because I get a little bit of extra time. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul. And if you like it, definitely let me know, and I'll do more in the future. And I'll talk to you guys later.